What if I told you that a young man who started with nothing became one of the most successful creators in the world? No fame, no money, no fancy equipment, just passion, creativity, and consistency. This is not just a success story. It's a journey filled with lessons about hard work, belief, and kindness. And while you listen, you will also learn real English through real inspiration. Because today, we're talking about Mr. Beast, the man who turned generosity into greatness and effort into empire. So, listen carefully, learn new words, and get inspired. Jimmy Donaldson, known as Mr. Beast, was born on May 7th, 1998, in Greenville, North Carolina, USA. He wasn't born rich or famous. His childhood was simple and ordinary. But inside, he had a dream much bigger than his surroundings. At just 13 years old, Jimmy started his first YouTube channel called Mr. Beast 6000. He uploaded random videos, gaming clips, reaction videos, and experiments. The videos didn't look professional. He had no special camera or editing tools. But what he had was passion, curiosity, and determination. At first, almost no one watched his videos. He would spend hours creating something and get only 10 or 20 views. Most people would quit at that point, but Jimmy didn't. He kept studying YouTube like a scientist. He watched thousands of videos and took notes on what worked and what didn't. He analyzed titles, thumbnails, and viewer reactions. He wanted to understand the platform completely. Between 2012 and 2017, he worked in silence. No fame, no money, no recognition, only hard work and endless curiosity. While others went to parties or played games, Jimmy spent his time learning how to grab people's attention online. He was building skills that would one day make him a legend. Then, in 2017, everything changed. He uploaded a video titled "Counting to 100,000." Yes, he literally counted numbers for hours until he reached 100,000. It sounded crazy, but that video exploded. It went viral and brought him millions of views. That was the moment Mr. Beast was truly born. Jimmy finally found his unique style. He realized people loved videos that were different, bold, and full of effort. He started creating massive challenges and experiments. But he didn't just focus on entertainment, he focused on kindness. His videos became famous for giving away money and helping people. He made videos like, "I gave $10,000 to a homeless man," and "I donated $100,000 to random streamers." Everyone was shocked. Why would someone give away so much money? But Jimmy's answer was simple. He wanted to make people happy and create unforgettable moments. Every dollar he earned, he reinvested into his next video. If he made $10,000, he spent $12,000 to make something even better. He wasn't chasing money, he was chasing impact. He said, "If I make $1, I spend it on making better videos." As his ideas grew, he needed help. So he built a team with his closest friends, Chris, Chandler, Carl, and others. They became his family and creative partners. Together, they filmed wild challenges, massive giveaways, and record-breaking experiments. Their teamwork made every video more fun and more powerful. But behind all this success, Jimmy faced real struggles. He worked almost 18 hours a day. He often forgot to eat or sleep. He had health issues because of stress and exhaustion. He dropped out of college to follow his dream. People doubted him, but he kept going. He once said, "If I didn't give everything to this, I would regret it forever." By 2019, Mr. Beast had become one of the biggest creators on YouTube. But he wanted to do more than just entertain. He wanted to make a real difference. That's when he started the campaign #TeamTrees with Mark Rober. Their goal was to plant 20 million trees around the world. People thought it was impossible, but within months, they reached the goal and made history. Then he started another campaign #TeamSeas to remove 30 million pounds of trash from the oceans. Again, it succeeded. Mr. Beast was now using his platform to help save the planet. He didn't stop there. He launched Beast Philanthropy, a charity that provides food and support to people in need. He also started businesses like Mr. Beast Burger and Feastables, creating jobs and opportunities for others. Everything he did was guided by the same purpose to make the world a better place. By 2025, Mr. Beast had become a global icon. His main YouTube channel crossed over 250 million subscribers. His videos gained billions of views. He became one of the most generous and respected creators in history. But despite all the fame, Jimmy stayed humble. He still worked hard. He still lived simply. And he still believed in kindness. He once said, "It's not about being famous. It's about waking up every day and doing what you love." Mr. Beast's journey teaches us powerful lessons. Consistency is more important than talent. Generosity brings real happiness. Teamwork builds success. And the biggest lesson: success is not about money, it's about purpose. From a small-town boy with no views to a global hero who changes lives, Mr. Beast proved that anything is possible. His story reminds us that dreams come true when you mix effort, creativity, and kindness. And for you, the listener, remember, every story you hear here on Real English Stories is a chance to learn real English through real inspiration. So, as you grow your English, also grow your belief in yourself. Because like Mr. Beast says, success doesn't come from luck. It comes from learning, failing, and never giving up.